Express 3.6 kilometers in meters per second. That means we have to convert from one unit of speed, which is a higher unit, to another unit of speed, that is meters per second, which is a lower unit. Big solution. For us to easily answer this question, we are going to make use of the following. If we have a speed of 1 kilometers per hour, it is simply equal to 1 kilometer divided by 1 hour. We know that the 1 kilometer is simply equal to 1,000 meters. Recall that kilo stands for 1,000. Next, if we take 1 hour, we have to express 1 hour in seconds. Is simply equal to, we know that 60 minutes make 1 hour. We're going to take 60 for the 60 minutes, then we multiply it by, 60 seconds make 1 minute. Multiply by 60 seconds. This will simply be equal to 60 times 60 gives us 3,600 seconds. That means 1 hour is simply equal to 3,600 seconds. Now, if we take the speed, which is 3.6 kilometers per hour, we can express this as 3.6 kilometers. If we divide this by 1 hour, if we divide 3.6 by 1, it remains 3.6. If you divide kilometers by hour, it gives you kilometers per hour. This will simply be equal to, we are going to express 3.6 kilometers in meters. That means we have to multiply 3.6 by 1,000. This will give us 3.6 times 1,000 meters. Then we divide this by 1 hour, which is simply equal to 3,600 seconds. Next, we have to simplify. You'll see that we can divide 1,000 by 100. Then we divide this 3,600 by 100. 100 go into 1,000 10 times. 100 will go into 3,636 times. This will simply be equal to, if you take 3.6 times 10, it gives you 36 meters. Then we divide by 36 seconds. 36 meters divided by 36 seconds will simply be equal to 1 meter per second. 36 divided by 36 gives 1. Meters over second gives you meters per second. We conclude, therefore, the speed of 3.6 kilometers per hour is simply equal to 1 meter per second. This simply means that if an object covers 3.6 kilometers in 1 hour, then in 1 second, the object covers 1 meter. We are done with the solution of this question. If in case you have any doubts, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please like the video, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.